She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. First off, I do want to say Happy New Year to you guys. Hope you are all doing well. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a quick and easy lunch or dinner type of meal. We're going to make some ditalini with peas and Parmesan. So as you can see, the Ditalini pasta is a very small pasta. It's usually used in a minestrone soup, or is it minestrone or minestrone? But it is used in that soup usually, where it's like a beef vegetable soup with those little bitty pieces of pasta in there. And that's what we're going to use today, along with some peas, some fresh Parmesan, a little bit of onion, and olive oil. And we are going to have a delicious little meal. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, and if you are not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the Ditalini with peas and Parmesan. As you can see, it was a very quick and easy meal. The flavors go together so well within this pasta. The little pastas are very fun to eat as well, because you almost don't even realize that you're eating pasta, but you are. You could have it for lunch, you could have it for dinner. You could also add anything to it if you liked. Some pancetta, maybe some bacon, even some chicken, whatever you like, or just eat it plain. definitely is something that you guys should give a try. It's very, very quick and easy. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.